Hello and welcome to Be Informed. This video is about how to open a trading account in Qatar. If you are interested to know how you can invest in Qatar Stock Exchange, then stay tuned. Step 1 is to get a national investor number. So the first requirement is to get registered with QCSD, which is Qatar Central Securities Depository. At QCSD, you have to fill a new shareholder application form. You can download this form from their website. They have forms for different categories like individual, minor, companies, and custodians. So if we talk about the individuals form, you are required to submit. If you are a Qatari, you have to provide an original and copy of a valid Qatari ID passport. If you are a non-Qatari, you have to provide an original and a copy of a valid Qatari ID and passport. If you are non-resident, then you have to provide a copy of a valid passport. You also have to give an original and a copy of a power of attorney, copy of IDs of the principal and agent. Next is official letter from the Qatari bank, which is licensed by Qatar Central Bank, and in this official letter the bank will be confirming your bank account details. The other requirement is if the investor is not resident of the state of Qatar, all documents must be authenticated by Qatari Embassy and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the country. Once all these requirements are fulfilled, you have to pay a fee of 100 Qatari riyals. After that, you will be registered at QCSD and they will give you a national investor number. Instead of visiting QCSD, if you have already decided about your brokerage firm, you can visit your broker and ask them to provide you with the new shareholder application form. You can fill that form and pay the fee of 100 Qatari riyals, and then later on your brokerage firm on your behalf can communicate with QCSD and can help you in getting national investor number. Step 2 is to get signed up with Stockbroker. Once you have paid the 100 riyal fee at QCSD and has provided all the required documents, QCSD will give you a national investor number known as NIN. This NIN is required to open a trading account with the brokerage firm. Qatar Exchange has 8 licensed stockbroker firms. You can choose any one of these. They have different brokerage commission. You can check on their websites. When step 1, you are registered with QCSD and step 2, have signed up with a stockbroker is completed, you can trade with confidence on Qatar Exchange. Your stockbroker will give you access to their trading portal where you can monitor all stocks live on Qatar Exchange. You must specify to your broker before buying or selling any security about the name of the company in which you want to invest, the price per share at which you are willing to buy, and the number of shares you wish to buy. Now, whenever your transaction is complete, your broker will send you a notification on the date of execution. You can obtain a statement of account which reflects all of your brokerage activities. Your brokerage firm will request payment for any buy transactions before order execution, and if you are selling shares, your broker will issue a check after the date of sale. If we talk about the total cost of trading shares, this will include brokerage commission plus fee for any additional services. This additional services varies from broker to broker, but for brokerage commission, QSE has set a brokerage commission of 2.75 per 1000 riyals for the transacted value. This means that for every transaction of 1000 riyals, whether it's buying or selling, your brokerage firm will charge 2.7 riyals. But this commission fee is subject to a minimum charge of 30 Qatari riyals for each of the buying and selling transaction, and this commission will be charged from both parties. So this was all the information about how to open a trading account in Qatar. You can find a list of 8 licensed stockbroker firms in Qatar. Currently, these are the licensed broker firms. You can visit their website and find further details about the brokers. Hopefully the video was helpful for you, and this will help you in investing and trading in Qatar stock market. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Take care.